Okay, guys, welcome today again to another edition of our video. I want to quickly show you guys the coin that you can trade right now on cryptocurrency exchange website and make massive profit. And the truth about this arbitrage is that you can do it multiple times. If you can do it 100 times, fine. If you can do it 50 times, do it 20 times. All I know is that you are going to make a lot of profit from this arbitrage that I'm about to show you guys. Okay, so before I do that, I will kindly suggest that if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I will kindly persuade you to subscribe to this channel because of any latest update. You won't be left out. You will be the first among the first people to quickly take advantage of this arbitrage. Okay, so in case you don't know the meaning of arbitrage, okay, arbitrage simply means that you have to buy one coin from one exchanging website to another, then send it to another website and convert it to USDT. Okay, then you send it back to that website again and convert it to that coin again, send it to the other website again, convert it to USDT. Okay, so by simply doing this, you are making massive profit. You are making money from moving it from one side to another side. So in case of, if you did not know about what is called arbitrage in cryptocurrency, okay, that's it in a nutshell that I have explained. Okay, so kindly subscribe to this channel if you want something good in your life. If you want to shade your present situation, your present situation, kindly subscribe, because every time I see an arbitrage opportunity, I will kindly be uploading it, or I will kindly be making some video on it. Okay, then I'll be sending it to YouTube. So people that subscribe to my channel will quickly be seeing it before the opportunity goes. Okay, so let me quickly show you what I wanted to show you guys. So in order for us not to waste time, okay, let me pause it and I'll continue. Okay, so guys, here we are. So I've already opened the app for you guys, so I will be explaining some little things to you guys that you are going to do right now. Okay, so I know that you have not subscribed, you are just watching this channel, but before I show you, please guys, kindly subscribe to this channel now. Okay, kindly subscribe to this channel now, because you have nothing to lose. You will always gain from this. And in case you do not understand how you can go about this, you can kindly comment comment in the comment section. So I will guide you through. Okay, I will guide you through. People are making massive profit with this thing. So if you too can start now, it's not too late for you to change your present situation now to good. Okay, to change your present situation now to good. So this thing, a lot of people are using it as business daily, sitting in the front of their laptop without doing anything, just trading from one exchanging website to another, and they are making bastard money online. Okay, so let me kindly explain to you. In case you are one of those that already understand, so you can go through this thing right now. If you can do it now, the earlier the better. Okay, so now in case of you are not among those that did not know anything about this, okay, what you have to do is you go to Yobit, this cryptocurrency exchanging website. You can search it on your Chrome, so it will direct you, or search it on Play Store to download the app. Then after you have registered on the app, you have to verify it with your valid ID card. Okay, if you have international passport, you can also use it to verify on this site. Okay, reason why you need this is that because you might send your coin there and you want to send it, they will ask you to verify. Okay, so then after you buy it on Yobit, what you have to do is you send it here to Binance. Okay, Binance is the popular cryptocurrency exchanging website that everybody knows. Okay, so you can also follow the step you do on Yobit. You register, you verify, and you are ready to go. Okay, you are going to make massive profit on this. So all you have to do is let me show you something. Okay, you see this now. You see this price difference that is here. Okay, now if you look at this one that is on Binance, we see that the number is different. So, okay, do you see the number is different? So that difference in price, that's where you will be making your own money. Okay, you will buy it on, you will buy EOS on Yobit. Okay, when you search EOS/BTC, it will show you. You will buy it on Yobit. Okay, then you transfer it to Binance. You transfer it to Binance. Then when you transfer it to Binance, all you have to do, you convert it back to BTC. Okay, you convert it back to BTC. By doing this, your coin have increased. Then you do what? You send it back again to Yobit. Okay, send it back again to Yobit. Then you convert your BTC back to EOS. Then send it back to Binance. Send it back to Binance. Okay, so by doing this, you have make enough of plenty profit. Let's assume that you are using 200,000 naira to do this, or $200 or $500. Imagine you doing this to and fro like 20 times. You know what you will gain, because as of now is 57% that you are going to see on this transaction right now. 55.57 percentage. If you are using 100,000 or $100 or 200 or $500, that is to say you are going to see 55% of what you are using to run this arbitrage. Okay, sorry guys, let me show you one thing. Let me show you something. That's not, you are going to gain 33.87% profit. Okay, so just do this 3 times. So that is to say you have recovered the amount that you invested in this crypto arbitrage. Okay, so guys, I will be sharing another one very soon, very soon. So before I share that, I will kindly persuade you to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so in case I drop late another video, you will be the first person to start this and make massive profit on it before many people venture into it. Okay, so right now, if you can trade this, you will be lucky enough to make enough of money. Okay, so I'll be going now. Bye bye, see you next time. Stay safe and be happy.